This is the car. And this is an airplane. This is the front of the airplane. This is the back. This is the telescope.
Did you make that?
Yes. This triangle is where they put their luggages and stuff.
Do you think it's strong?
Yes.
Do you like your design?
Yeah. On your design, here's the tip I want to show you after you're done with the build.
How long it took you to build that?
10 minutes. 3 minutes.
Okay.
Here's something you could do with magnet to metal. Hi. No. You can move it with this.
That is so cool.
Why do you do that?
So it could move by itself?
If comes with this, then just pull out.
Okay. That's all about it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.